Hello, my name is Isabel Wheeler. It is October 22nd of 2019, and this is the last and final week, week 8. This is the video exercise sensory and physiology. So today I'm going to be describing several structures and features of the cow's eye that I find interesting. I've already washed the cow's eye right here, and I have taken off the excess muscle and skin. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut into the anterior chamber of the eye. So I'm going to be cutting into the cornea of the eye with this scalpel right here. So we've cut into the cornea of the eye. Now we're going to be cutting the eye into an anterior and posterior portion. We're going to cut the portion of the chamber of the eye and view the interior. We'll do that right now. Okay, so we have cut the eye into anterior and posterior portions. So we see the gelatinous mass inside the eye, and that's vitreous humor or vitreous body. So if you look here, you can see that. And then in this one, it's pretty cool because I didn't know inside the eye there was this. I'm going to remove the vitreous body with forceps just by pulling it gently. Okay, and there it comes out. Okay, so I've just scooped the iris and the lens out of the eye. So the iris and the lens is going to be right here. That's what it looks like. And then the eye is going to be right there. And you can see right here it's see-through. There was so much that I learned throughout this dissection. Going into this, I thought that an eyeball just was like this, simple and round. But we have so many different parts of our eyeball that we do not know about, and all of them have different functions. And like this right here, I cut open the eyeball and it just stayed in place until I scooped it out. That is interesting, as well as the tapetum lucidum. The most interesting thing that I found about the cow's eyeball while dissecting it was this part right here. So this is called the tapetum lucidum. It's very shiny and like a few different colors. You can see a little yellow, green, and blue in that. So I did my research and I found that a large number of animals have the tapetum lucidum. So deer, dogs, cats, cattle, horses, and ferrets have it. Humans do not have the tapetum lucidum, and neither do some other animals. So humans don't have night vision because we lack the tapetum lucidum. Some animals are able to have night vision because they do have this. It's a layer of tissue in the eye, and it's a reflector reflecting the eye that comes in back out. And some people wonder why animals' eyes glow at night, and that is because they have the tapetum lucidum.